let this happen to you.
My name is Ron Daniels, owner, founder, and inventor of the Ultimate Lock. I looked at the barriers in regards to how fast the person could actually kick in the front door, which basically was the front barrier.
In 2006, over 6 million people in the United States experienced the violating feeling of a home invasion by having their front or back door kicked in. Which is why we created a revolutionary new product that was innovative enough that its value was recognized and embraced by NASA's SATOP division.
Hi, my name is Bob Mitchell. I'm the Executive Director of the Space Alliance Technology Outreach Program, normally referred to as SATOP. We get real excited when we have a company like Ultimate Lock come to us and Ron with an issue that he really needs help on that we think eventually is going to help all of mankind and society, especially when it comes to safety issues with families, homes, and businesses.
We are so confident in the strength and durability of our product that we invited law enforcement officers to demonstrate the effectiveness of the Ultimate Lock. Another defeat for me. Go.
Hello, I am Chief Bradford, the former police chief in Houston, Texas. I've served as a police officer for 24 years and 7 years as police chief. Crime is real. Violent suspects are waiting for the opportunity to take advantage of you. You can protect yourself. The Ultimate Lock was designed and patented by a police officer, Captain Ron Daniels, because he cares about the safety of citizens.
By the time you're through watching this video, over 30 homes will have been broken into. Let the Ultimate Lock give you and your loved ones the protection you deserve and need.